Top of the top, y'all. It's your boy Show, man. Today I'm gonna do a really quick video, just going through how you can find buyers for your wholesale deals in Facebook groups. All right, if you're still new to it, still working on your buyers list, or even if you're kind of seasoned and you just need new eyes on a property that you just locked up. All right, so let's do it. I'm gonna go to Facebook, and then what you want to do is go to groups. All right, so I'm just going to find a group that we're part of, DFW Flips, which is actually this same group right here. And so we'll go into it. We are part of a lot of investor groups, Facebook groups in DFW. There's probably at least 8 or 10 of them that we are a part of. If you are in a different city or state, I can almost guarantee you that there is a Facebook group dedicated to real estate investing. All right. So if you don't have a Facebook, get one. All right. Because this can be a really good tool to use. So we're going to go here to that group, DFW Flips. Wholesale deals only. All right, now here we are. All right, we're inside the group, and what we want to do is go to this little search bar right here so we can kind of break it down. Right, so I'm going to search for buyers who are in 75216. If you're in DFW, you know that's in Oak Cliff, Cedar Crest area, which is really hot, really popular right now. So let's say you got a deal in 75216. You just want to search for buyers by the zip code in these groups. All right, so boom, 75216. And then we want to go to the most recent post because this is going to show you who's actively buying in the area. All right. And here you will see my partner, Justin, actually just listed a property 2 days ago that we have locked up with clear title that we're trying to sell. As you can see right here on 10 comments that we have a lot of interest in this property. All right. Because like I said, it's a hot area. So when you do what I just showed you guys with the search bar with the zip code and filter it to the most recent, what you'll get is posts where people have put 75216. This is a wholesale group. These are people selling deals in these zip codes. All right. So what we want to look for is comments from buyers who are interested and simply take their information. All right. So let's say that you were looking for buyers in 75216. You see my partner Justin here. He posted our deal in 75216. We got 10 comments. Let's click on that. And then what you simply want to do is take this information. What you simply want to do is take the buyer's information from right here, man. I mean, it's super simple. Now, rarely will the buyers put their phone numbers in these Facebook chats, but they're generally pretty active on their emails. All right. So we got Julio Perez. And right here, this is just in my Google Docs. I created a sheet. I'm going to put 75216 buyers. That way, if I get a property in 75216, I can come directly here. Now, our actual list is way longer than this. We already have one built. This is just a blank template for the purpose of this video, guys. So we got Julio Perez. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Allergies going crazy. And then we got Julio PRZ. Julio PRZ 723@gmail.com. Now Julio is now somebody. I'm going to send him an email, with the details of my deal. Generally, we use MailChimp to put campaigns together and put all our deals together and send them out to buyers. But now you have someone who is actively buying and actively interested in buying properties in 75216. All right. And we just want to keep on doing this. And this is a house. And so that lets me know that he's interested in houses. If we were marketing land, then I will put land right here to let me know that they are interested in land. All right. And you can do the same thing all the way down, guys. So boom, some people going to send you a message. Some people just say send an address. Some people going to actually put their email address, which is what we need. All right. All right. And I mean, and it's that easy, guys. That's pretty much it. That's the whole video. Let's come out of here and I'll go to another group just to kind of show you guys. I don't know the name of all these groups. Real estate investing and wholesaling, marketing and conversion mastery. Okay, DFW. I'm not a part of this group. Let's see what else we got. DFW real estate investments. Okay, so this is another group that I'm in. And I can do the same thing here. Simply go right here. Except for now, I'm going to put in a different zip code. 75212. Still go to most recent. Calling all cash buyers. Boom. So now, okay, well, that's a spam comment, but let's go somewhere else. Anyone have property for sale in 752? Who's buying in 75212 near Trinity River? Boom. Again, he's got 8 comments on this. And here you go, guys. Buyers, first and last name, email address. Now we know that they're buying in 75212, which is West Dallas. All right. So there you have it. Simple as that. That's a cool, easy way to find buyers for specific properties in specific areas, or just go through that and build your cash buyers list in your downtime or in your free time. All right. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Keep on grinding, keep on hustling, keep on making those calls, trying to lock up those deals. And then on the flip side, get them sold, all right? And that's what we're talking about today. So here's how you can simply find buyers on Facebook. Don't get too much easier than this, man, all right? Social media is a gem, is a killer resource. You must tap in, all right? Let's get it.